We all know you're supposed to keep your kids away from cleaning products, other things or liquids that could be toxic. But Dr. Shears has a few surprising household items. These may be releasing other dangerous fumes.
We all know household cleaning products can be toxic, but there are some items in your house right now emitting harmful fumes, and they could be right under your feet. The glues and dyes used in carpeting are known to emit VOCs. Look for carpet manufacturers that have developed lower VOC emission products. And always keep newly carpeted areas well ventilated to minimize VOC buildup. Cabinets, bookcases, anything made of pressed wood most likely contains formaldehyde in the glue used to hold those particles together. Try to buy furniture made of real hardwood, not processed wood. And if you do opt for particle board, make sure it's formaldehyde free. And what keeps the moths from eating your favorite sweaters might be releasing poisonous fumes into the air. Naphthalene is a common ingredient which, after prolonged exposure, can damage or even destroy red blood cells. Instead of mothballs, use cedar. It's a natural alternative. Remember, au naturel is always better, and a toxic-free home is a happy one.
Good stuff, Dr. Shears.
Yeah, stuff's important, just to think about where chemicals can be. Usually if something has a strong chemical odor to it, then that's a good clue.
Yeah.
And do you find that, and I have to confess personally, you walk into an environment and maybe there's new carpeting, new flooring, whatever it may be, and you smell something and you feel dizzy. Mm-hmm. Don't ignore that. Open all the windows. Evacuate that room.
Something else that we didn't talk about yet, what about dry cleaning? Yeah. You know, everybody does this, and you come home, you throw this in the closet. The chemical they use to dry clean shirts is called perchloroethylene, and it's actually used in about 3/4 of dry cleaners in this country. And it's actually, the EPA has classified it as a possible to probable carcinogen when you breathe it in. So used on the clothes on your skin is probably not a big deal, but if the vapors are still in there, trapped in this plastic bag, that can be an issue. So it's a really good idea to, before you take this in the house, take the plastic off, toss that, and let these air out a little bit before you take it into your house.
Great
point. And if you work at a dry cleaner, you want to make sure there's good ventilation in there. How many times have you gone in to pick up your dry clean? You walk in and this just wave of something. There's that smell, and I don't know what that smell is. It can't be good, right? The good news is more and more dry cleaners, I think, are trying to not use this, and I think that that will become more and more common.
Can you hand me my dry cleaning, please?
Well, you know,
You're waving in the
some people get excited about that new smell, like the new car smell, the new carpet, new house smell, and the, you know, clothes just coming back from the cleaners. But you have to be careful with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It does. It smells clean.
Like, woo, yeah.